Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Polymesh or Polyx. Had to make a video on that. It's ridiculously manipulated. Do I really need to prove it this time? Look, sometimes people get defensive when I say something is manipulated, and there might be some fundamentals behind this too. But those fundamentals are just brought up by manipulators to create exit liquidity. Under retailers, all right, $1.24 billion in volume. Most of that volume is coming from Bybit, and if you look at the open interest, it's going to be absolutely ridiculous. This is just very manipulated, right? Look at this. This is not normal, all right. And I'm saying this as someone who entered Polyx, all right? So I want it to go up, but I do want you to know that it is manipulated, and that's absolutely crucial, all right? Because what that means is that at some point of time, this is going to crash down hard. It could still rally a lot before that, that's true, but at some point of time, it's going to crash hard. So just want you to know that if a coin is manipulated, what usually happens is that the manipulators will make money. So that means that it's a zero-sum market. If the manipulators make money, that means that retail loses money. So some of you, if you want to trade this, will lose money. So be careful, all right? Don't risk too much. And in general, if you're a new trader, just stay out of it. All right, but then if we try to do some sort of a technical analysis, look, if you look at it right now, the open interest is still going up. So at this point of time, there's no sign that this is going to be bearish. At some point of time, what's going to happen is the open interest is, we're probably going to put in some sort of a hammer candle, and the open interest is going to be dropping down a lot. Like the open interest will do something like this. And then it's probably, at least on the short term, over. All right, so if you see something like this with the open interest, that's the cue. So something like that could happen in the next hour. It could happen in a week, to be completely honest with you. But something like that will happen, all right? And for now, if we look at Polyx, look, the main resistance level is probably coming up right here. So this is the previous wick of the previous big move we had in October. That's the main resistance level, all right? If there's one level where I would say that's going to be tough to break through, it's that. And then after that, you start talking about this wick right here at 50 cents, and then you start talking about 60 cents. So those are the three most important levels. And today we will probably see how Polyx reacts to 43 cents. All right, because honestly, if I look at the open interest right now, I would say it's most likely that Polyx will just break above this level and that we will rally up to 50 cents. That seems most likely. Would I take a trade on that? No. I took a trade yesterday, just for reference, right here. All right, I sniped this entry right here after we broke above that entire level. But at these levels, like I said, because the open interest is still moving up, because we are still gaining momentum, because the circumstances in the market are fine, they're not great, they're not bad, I think it's most likely we will break above 53 or 43 cents and rally up to 50 cents. And then from there, we'll see again, if the open interest keeps going up after hitting that level, we can also get to 55 and 60 ultimately. However, just be careful, right? Because like I said, we haven't broken above 43 cents yet. We found some resistance at that level earlier. So like I said, if we hit 43 cents and we get a big drop in the open interest, which will happen at some point of time, it will just happen, it's probably over. And we'll drop back down to 32, probably even 28 cents before you know it. So be careful. But like I said, short term, it still looks good. And I say that with pain in my heart because some of you will just buy this. But that's objectively what I see. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.